Hey there, I'm Apple Kreider with Investing Simple. In this video, providing an in-depth look at M1 Finance customer service and the different options that are offered on the M1 Finance platform if you do need to get a hold of somebody. Now, many free investing apps out there are notorious for having terrible customer service, but how does M1 Finance actually stack up to the competition? Well, we actually tried out their customer service ourselves to give you an in-depth look at exactly the options they offer and how effective those are going to be for you. So let's get into that right now. So when it comes to the options you actually have for M1 Finance customer service, there are no physical branch locations. That is something that is pretty standard across all of these investing apps. That's one of the ways that they cut down on costs is they don't have any physical branch location that you could go into and say talk to a real human being. However, there are still 3 different ways that you can contact someone at M1 Finance if you're having issues or if you have questions that you need answered by someone on their team. Now, the first method is to use the Help Center on their website. So if you go to m1finance.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is a button for Help Center. So if you click on the Help Center, then there's going to be another button that says Contact Us. You click on that, and you'll be able to fill out a support form that will give them some information on what your issue is. You'll answer a couple of questions, and then they'll get back to you via email in typically 1 business day at most, which is honestly not that bad for these apps. Getting back to you within a business day is definitely not the standard. The second option you can use to contact M1 Finance customer service is by going to the Contact Us button within the actual app. So if you have the M1 Finance app on your phone, you can go into the Help Center as well and click on the Contact Us button, do a similar form, send that in, and again, response via email within typically 1 business day. Now, the final option is that M1 Finance actually does offer phone support. So this is something that not a lot of people actually know, but there is a phone number that you can call for M1 Finance, and we'll have that down below in the description for you to easily find. So if it's not something that's super urgent to get to, you're probably better off going through the Contact Us button on either the app or the website. But if it is something that is fairly urgent, something that has to do with your trading or money or etc., then going through the actual phone number might be your best bet. So you can actually get a hold of someone right away. Now, unfortunately, M1 Finance does not offer any kind of live chat option on their website. That is what a lot of people these days tend to favor, but there is no live chat option. However, again, you've got the Contact Us on the website, the Contact Us within the actual app itself, and then the phone number down below in the description that you can use to get a hold of M1 Finance. Now, all in all, M1 Finance customer service is definitely a step above what you would expect from most of these brokerage apps out there. However, if you want our pick for the app with the absolute best customer service all around, you could also find that in the description below if you're not particularly satisfied with the customer service options that M1 Finance does actually offer. Now, if you want to learn more about how to contact M1 Finance customer service and see our full review that we wrote, it's over on our website, investingsimple.com. The best way to find that is to go over to Google, type in Contact M1 Finance, and click on the link for investingsimple.com. We will see you over there.